In this video, I'm quickly going to show you how to register for the library workshops. Start at the MyCMC portal. The dashboard is customizable, so it may be in a different location, but look for the Student Self-Service tab and click on the link Student Planning. Now select Go to Plan and Schedule. In the upper right corner is a search bar. Search for ASC 101. Select each of the workshops that you need and choose the term, then add to the plan. Once done, click on Back to Plan and Schedule. Each of the workshops that were selected will appear on the left of the screen. Under each selection, there will be a drop-down menu. The second option is the online workshop and will have the number 50 at the end. Select that option and then Add Selection. Once each one has been selected, click on the Register Now button in the top right. It will take about a half hour for the course shell to appear in your Canvas dashboard. If it has not appeared by the next day, reach out to Admissions and Records to make sure that you are properly registered.